Hello, welcome to the lesson for chemistry today, which is themed separation techniques for mixtures. Mixtures are substances formed when two or more constituents are physically joined together, or you can say when two constituents are not chemically combined, they give rise to mixture. Example is our air, for we know that air is a mixture of gases because each constituents are not chemically joined together. And at the end of this lesson, we would have looked at the classification and types of mixtures, separation of mixtures, and then criteria for purity. These objectives shall be detailed in subsequent videos. Please join us.